So today I'm breaking down Betterment versus Wealthfront, and by the end, you'll know exactly which robo-advisor is the better choice for US investors. But before I show you which platform actually performs better, there's one tiny feature that most beginners overlook, and it completely changes how fast your portfolio grows. I'll show you that in a second. First, here's the truth. Both Betterment and Wealthfront claim to automate everything for you. Goals, portfolios, taxes, rebalancing. But the experience of using each one feels totally different. Also, both of these have no fees, no minimum deposit, and no minimum balance requirement. So both offer cash accounts and investment accounts. But there are some differences in how these are structured, especially with their cash accounts. Betterment separates what is essential their checking and savings offerings, and their savings account is referred as to cash reserve account. This cash reserve account is where you put any money that's being saved or money that's about to be invested. Wealthfront takes a different approach. They combine all checking and savings features into one single cash account, which makes the experience feel more unified. Betterment is built for people who want investing to be simple. You answer a few questions, and the platform handles the rest. No confusion, no settings to tweak. But here's your first transformation moment. Betterment's auto-adjust risk quietly shifts your portfolio over time, even if you forget to change anything. Most beginners never touch this feature, but it's one of the smartest tools in the app. Wealthfront, on the other hand, feels more powerful. The dashboard gives you more control, more customization, and more detailed view of your money. And here's the twist. Wealthfront's Path Planner gives you a full future forecast of your home, retirement, and savings goal without you building any spreadsheets. It's like seeing your future net worth before it happens. Now, that tiny feature I teased earlier, it's called tax loss harvesting. And both platforms offer it, but one of them runs it daily, automatically, making it far more effective for long-term investors. That's the part beginners never discover until after they've already chosen an app. If you want hands-off investing that feels effortless, Betterment usually wins. But if you want more control, deeper planning tools, and faster tax automation, Wealthfront pulls ahead. So that's it. That's my quick breakdown of Betterment versus Wealthfront. If you want a full setup tutorial or a performance comparison, comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple guides.